Another fresh car here at Access Auto. 2013 Mustang. It's a 6-cylinder stick shift. 37,000 miles. Deep blue metallic with a gray racing stripe. Car's in very good condition. Has a little bit of a aftermarket exhaust on it, I think, from Cat Back, so it sounds really nice. Body's in great condition. No real big dents or scratches anywhere. Tires are probably about 50%. Car's just overall a pretty nice car. Wheels are in great condition, no curb rash. Hey. Front, back. The other two are just as nice. Interior, of course, it's a does seat 4 people. I guess if you can cram yourself in there. Interior's in good condition. It's like a dark charcoal gray. I'm gonna just hop in here real quick. Standard Ford stereo, auxiliary connections, CD player, steering wheel controls for your phone, Bluetooth, of course. It's got a low tire pressure light on. Obviously we take care of that, it's not a big deal. 37,842 for miles. Nice clean Mustang. Oh, we just got it in. It's up for sale here. Access Auto, we're asking, it's a 13 and we're asking $13,995. It's here at Access Auto Sales. There's our phone number, 489-1100, or Access Auto 2. Check us out on the web. Come on down and get a Mustang at Access Auto. Thanks for looking.